Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Green color, purple color, red color, pink color, yellow color, blue color, orange color, black color, pink color. A for apple. Pink color. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. Blue color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Orange color. F for fish. Yellow color. Z for God. Yellow color. Z for God. Purple color. H for horse. Red color. I for igloo. Red color. J for jug. Black color. K for kite. Black color. K for kite. Green color. L for lion. Green color. L for lion. Green color. M for mango. Red color. N for necklace. Red color. O for owl. Orange color. P for pot. Orange color. P for pot. Purple color. Q for queen. Purple color. Q for queen. Purple color. R for rain. Purple color. S for snake. Pink color. T for tiger. Pink color. T for tiger. Pink color. U for umbrella. Pink color. V for vase. V for vase. Blue color. W for window. Blue color. W for window. Blue color. X for X-ray. Orange color. Y for yak. Orange color. Y for yak. Orange color. Z for zero. Orange color. Z for zero. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for igloo. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for necklace. O for owl. P for pot. Q for queen. R for rain. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zero. Thank you.